I know you have read the thumbnail, so let's play a little game. I give you the value and you subscribe to my channel. So what if I tell you that you could make $100 a day just by playing a game? No gimmicks, no fancy equipment, just your phone and some spare time. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it, step by step, using a real app and platform that pays. So let's dive in and turn your game into real money. Let's go, baby. So guys, this is the platform right here. It's a very free platform that I'm about to show you guys. This platform, you can play game in it, get an offer, all this type of stuff, you understand. I've not logged in yet, I'll still log in to show you guys more. You can download this app, you earn $5, play this game, you earn $50, $2. This is pretty easy stuff. You can see how it look like here. You should want to choose an offer right here. You can see it. Even Survey have free offers, all that kind of stuff. You get paid both in PayPal, Bitcoin, Play Card, cryptocurrency, Visa, name them. You can get paid on all of them, you understand. Don't miss out on this one. Instant cash out. It doesn't take your time. It doesn't take time. It doesn't take time for you to withdraw, you understand. So right here you can see it. Over 230 something thousand review on Trustpilot. You can see that this is a very big platform. This is their monthly user cash out. Well, let me log in my account so I can show you guys more. So as you can see right here, I've currently logged in. Issue. Open it new, you will have to select if you are a male or a female. Since I'm a male, I'll have to select this. Next, how old are you? Understand? So choose this first one. At what device are you using? I'm going to be clicking it off because I'm in the desktop mode. If you use an Android, you will see an offer that you can use. So this one are pretty much small stuff you can do to earn money. So as you can see right here, you can see this game right now. If you play it, you will be getting the reward of $55. This Vegas game, you'll be earning $55 if you happen to play it. And this one right here, you'll be earning a $1.37 to show that this one is pretty easy. Within 5 minutes, you have done. Within 5 minutes, you have gained a percentage. This is the cash out area where you can withdraw your money. Withdrawing the money is not an issue. Just get the money. Withdrawing it is not an issue. The minimum withdrawal here is 0.50 cents. As little as 0.50 cents, you can request a payout. You can withdraw through Bitcoin, Litecoin, Solana, or Dogecoin. You understand? So I use Visa and PayPal for people that are not in Nigeria. For those who are not in Nigeria, you can as well use PayPal. So let's say we click on this game right now. If you click on it, this is what is bring out for you. It will first of all ask you, have you used this app or service before? Of course, you will have to click no because you haven't. I just get a bonus of 0.5 cents that I can readily withdraw right away. You know how much is 0.5 cents? It's little, but it's a welcome bonus. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you like this type of video, make sure you subscribe and like. Make sure you subscribe to getting more tips about how to earn money online. So this is what you can use to make minimum of $100 a week. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for your time. So hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.